Hey guys, welcome back to Renish Diaries. Today I'm going to show you my monthly setup for December 2020. So, first of all, I have no idea what the spread can be called because part of it was inspired by BTS's MV for Life Goes On. I really loved that song, and part of it is just speaking about what kind of person I am and how I find comfort in things. So most of the things that are showed in the spread are things that comforts me, and that's what I made the spread from. Most of the 2020 I spent it on my table, mainly because I was either studying or journaling. So I drew this as a monthly, like, my cover page, and I started to make it. And this is a kind of desk I would love to have. I don't have this desk in my room. It's the desk I would love to have in my room, new room. So yeah, I made a lot of things in it. I added things that I would love to have and things that I do have. So the huge boxes you see on the top of the shelf about December are my memory boxes. Then in the shelves you can see BTS albums. Most of them are BTS albums, and even a shelf where TXT albums are kept. And there's a grid thing where I have hung few pictures. There's a Shuki plushie which I drew. It turned out super cute and I love it. And then there's the shelf which contains my textbooks and books, and my desktop. I don't have a desktop, my brother does, but I just drew a desktop there because I wasn't able to draw a laptop, so I drew that. This speaks about how I was on my desk most of the time and how I have discovered that I enjoy journaling a lot more than I used to think. Now, this is my monthly. I was very paranoid that I will mess it up, so I like made it right when I was planning the spreads. So the boxes were already drawn, and at the bottom I wrote the lyrics to Life Goes On, which they had on the album cover. And I'm going to mess this spread up in few minutes, so just keep watching. I This December starts on Tuesday. I ended up writing one on Monday, and then I was like, oh god, I messed it up. So I like cut paper and sticked it on it so it does not look that bad, and now it's all right. I'm not really worried about it anymore. Now the page that I'm working on currently is my to-do list spread, and the new page that I started working on is my posting schedule. So the girl I have drawn on my posting schedule page is just showing that I really love wearing baggy clothes, and I drew that. Then on my to-do list spread I just made a girl sitting on her desk, and she's just staring in. She's not staring, she does not have eyes, she's just sitting there. Okay. I don't draw faces because I can't draw small faces. If it's a big drawing then I can, but if it's a small drawing I'm pretty sure that I'll mess it up, so I don't really draw those. Now this is my gratitude list. I have been appreciating skies a lot because I was in my house for like 6 months, and first day that I was able to go out, I was just staring at the sky because it is super beautiful. If you see my phone, you will find so many pictures of clouds. I'm not even joking. You will find more pictures of clouds than you will find of me. And that's for my gratitude list. And next to that is my habit tracker and study tracker. I made them very simple. I was thinking of making a productivity tracker, but then I did not. Now this is my study to-do list spread. This page will contain all the things related to my class and test and stuff. So, and on the other page is my sleep tracker, and I made a girl sitting in her blanket and reading books because I tend to do that. I tend to sit on my bed, take my blanket, and just read something. I also wrote on my table, on my pillow, on the pages, because those are the lyrics from the song. And this is the first weekly of December. I made a girl sitting and drawing something. I don't really make my weeklies from beginning, but for this month I did. uh, as you can see, the most of the pages, like most of the part of the page is empty. That is mainly because I don't really like to pre-plan, and I hate it when I have to, so I just left empty spaces and made boxes for the days, so that will be easier for me. I don't really like very structured spreads, so I made them like this, so I can have extra space to write anything that comes to my mind, and yet still have my days already wrote down. I know that December is going to be super busy for me, so that's the reason why I ended up drawing the boxes and making a bit restricted spreads. Um, Now this is my third spread. I made like swatches with light pink color, and this is a Dutch door. I don't know why I made a Dutch door, but I was like, I'm in a mood to make a Dutch door spread, so I did not add the dates here. I should go and do that after I'm done recording. And this is the final weekly spread that I made. So this will be the last spread of December and 2020, and yeah, that's all. Now for the flip through, this is how all of the spreads look, and I love all of the spreads. They look super pretty and they express something about me. Yeah, that's all. I have been doing great. Last month was super crazy for me, but now I'm all right. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Did you think I forgot? Did you think that I forgot to say? Please like this video, and if you like it, you are one of the most beautiful people out there. And please do subscribe, because it's helpful to me keep on working and making more videos. Thank you for watching. You are amazing. I love you. Okay, now bye bye.